Did you just change your email password and now your iPhone refuses to load your inbox? It's super frustrating, but don't panic. Today I'm going to show you the absolute fastest way to update your email password on your iPhone. The secret to fixing this actually involves one step that sounds a little scary, but I promise it's 100% safe. Stick around and I'll show you exactly why it works. If this video saves your inbox today, please do me a quick favor, drop a like and consider subscribing. Let's dive in. When you change an email password on your computer or through a browser, your iPhone gets left in the dark. To get your mail flowing in, we need to update those credentials in your phone settings. Here's exactly how to do it. Close the Mail app. Open up your settings. Scroll down until you find the App section. Tap on that. From here, scroll down to the M section and tap on Mail. Next, tap on Mail Account. Now you will see a list of all the email addresses linked to your phone. Tap on the one that's giving you trouble. In my case, it's my Gmail account. Now here is that scary step I mentioned earlier. The absolute most reliable way to update your password on modern iOS versions is actually to remove the account and quickly re-add it. Pro tip, don't worry. Tapping delete account at the bottom only removes the local data from your phone. It does not delete your actual email account, your history, or your saved messages. Go ahead and hit delete account. Once it vanishes from list, simply tap add account right below, right here. Type in your email address and log in using a new password. And boom, that's it. Your account is linked back up, your new password is saved, and your emails will start syncing immediately. If this quick trick helped you out, hit the subscribe button for more nonsense tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.